Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Alert 2 on your browser. Many fans want to revisit this classic, and thankfully, there are now ways to enjoy it directly through your web browser without complex installations. We'll cover the essential steps to get you started, ensuring you can jump into the action quickly and easily. Get ready to command your forces and relive those epic battles. The first step is finding a reliable browser platform. Several fan communities and dedicated websites have worked to make Red Alert 2 accessible online. Look for platforms that are actively maintained and have a good user base, as this often indicates better stability and fewer bugs. Always prioritize sites known for their commitment to preserving the game's original feel and functionality. Once you've chosen a platform, a quick setup might be needed. Ensure your browser is updated and consider using a browser known for good gaming performance. While the core gameplay remains the same, some browser versions might have slightly different control schemes, so take a moment to review them. A stable internet connection is crucial for a smooth, lag-free experience, especially in multiplayer matches. To truly enhance your Red Alert 2 browser experience, dive into the vibrant online community. Many forums offer strategies, custom maps, and even opportunities to join tournaments. Connecting with other players can significantly boost your enjoyment, whether you're looking for a challenge or just some friendly competition. Also, for a fresh ride, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Happy gaming, Commanders!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.